Khubor ka Batesi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Frank Motors. The dark is here to rule.
Ka jingbom ya su jingmut pedang ki sengsan perthai ki besong ka liang persya jong ka ying dor ba thau an ki jila ki ba kantop ya ka All India Trinamool Congress ka Indian National Congress but ka Voice of the People Party hadu menta kim patla satya banjit ya noyalam jong ka liang persya u lampang jong ka ying dor ba thau an ki jila u Thomas A Sangma ha ka jinga kran bikila pathai ko bor ha ka lai pho trik ulber ar hajar ar pulai ule thu bo nahab ban shim khia hi halor kni ka kam da ka Ïasyllok chwa ya ki rip start an namar kumba kalong menta kani ka kam kalong ka bakalan bha kumba kalong menta ki lai Thylli ki parti ki besong ha ka liang persya ki long ka Congress bat ka Trinamool Congress ki badan marsan ngut ki MLA kat ba ka Voice of the People Party ka don saw ngut ki MLA ka kenhuan Meghalaya Democratic Alliance ka babat iu lakam sensyar ka don palat saw hongut ki MLA ha ka juk kapor ka nong ai ktien jong ka sorkan jila ka Dr. Mezel Amperin Lingdo kala ong ba ka syong ha ka jingstan jong ulampang jong ka ying dor ba thau an ban shimrai lor kani ka kam namar ba ki parti ba syong ha ka liang persya kim yo ya ka jingbun pat banjit ya unoyalam.
This is a very typical, very complicated situation with only 5 on each. I'm looking, not consulting actually, but I'm finding out from the records and things where such assemblies, and my office is also finding it out. So I'm taking my time. I'll take my time and decide later.
It mandate that the people of the state of Meghalaya gave as a result of the general elections of the state are also now affecting the political situations in the state of Meghalaya. You have seen now that the opposition has 5 plus 5 plus 4. And when there is no one common front seen in that opposition, this question will arise. This is not an unusual situation. Several states have seen this. Even Parliament has seen this. And we will await the order of the Speaker, at whose disposal the decision for appointment of leader of opposition is vested in. We trust that the Honourable Speaker, in his wise wisdom, will be able to take a call on the matter. But even if the Honourable Speaker does take a decision, fact of the matter remains, it is a fragmented opposition.